Exercise 9.2, question number 3. Complete the table of products. Here they have given first monomial and second monomial. Just we have to multiply as we done in the previous question. 2x into 2x. So first we multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4. X into x is x square. Next we have completed, right? Next we have to multiply 2x into minus 5y. 2 5s are 10, so minus 10. X into y is xy. Next with the 2x we have to multiply 3x square. Let us multiply the numbers first. 2 3s are 6. X into x square will be x cube. So like that we have to multiply with the 2x and with the first monomial. After complete this first line, we have to start again with the minus 5y. Minus 5y into 2x. 5 2s are 10. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Y into x is xy. Again 5y minus 5y minus 5y. We can multiply 25y square. So after you complete, so you will get answers like this. So very simple, just you have to multiply the first monomial with the second monomial. While we are multiplying like this, which each and every term with the first monomial and second monomial, you will get answers like this. Let us see question number 4. Obtain the volume of a rectangular boxes. See, they have asked to find a volume of the rectangular boxes. Volume means it should contain a 3 measurements, 3-dimensional figure. So volume of rectangle, length into breadth into height. As they have given, the first one is length, second one is a breadth, and the third term is height. Let us multiply all these 3 terms together. 5a multiplied by 3a square into 7a power 4. First we will take the numbers alone within the bracket. 5 into 3 into 7. Then write the variables a into a power 2 into a power 4. Let us multiply the numbers. 105. Now a into a power 2 into a power 4. So here a power 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. So a power 7. So this will be the volume of the rectangular boxes. Let us do the second one. So instead of commas we can insert multiplication symbol. Take the numbers alone. 2 into 4 into 8. Now take the variables p into q, q into r. 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. P into q into r. So we can write pqr. So the volume is equal to 64 pqr. So we have to find volume of the given expression. First let us write the numbers alone. 2 into 2. So 2 into 2. Then write the variables x into x square y into x y square. 2 2s are 4. Let us take the x terms alone. X into x square into x. So we know that the power of x is 1. This power of x is 2. And the power of x is 1. So x power 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So x power 4. Next let us take y. Y power, this is y, right? So y power 1, y power 2. So we can write y power 3. Y power 1 plus y power 2 is y power 3. Question number 4. Let us write the numbers first. 2 multiply by 3. Then write the variables a into b into c. 2 3s are 6. A into b into c is a, b, c. Exercise 9.2. Question number 5. Obtain the product of xy, yz, zx. As they are given the product, so we have to insert a multiplication symbol instead of comma. So in between all the terms, we will use a multiplication symbol. Now let us use like terms x and x. 2 times x is there. So we can write x into x is x square. Y into y is y square. Z into z is z square. A minus a square, a cube. In between all the terms, insert a multiplication symbol. Now let us multiply the terms. A means what? A power 1, a power 1, a power 2, a power 3. So let us add the power. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So a power 6. Check the symbols. This is a positive number and it is a negative number. So plus into minus is minus. So answer will be minus a power 6. Look at question number 4. As it has a number. So write the numbers alone. 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. Then y into y square into y power 3. Let us multiply the numbers first. 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16 is 1024. Next, y into y power 2 into y power 3. So if there is no power, we can consider it's a y power 1. We can add the powers. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Y power 6. In question number 4, write the numbers separately and the variables separately. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Here a multiply by another a. So we can write a square. B multiply by another b is a b square. C multiply by c will be c square. Let us see the fifth question. M into minus mn into mnp. So we can write m 3 times m. So m power 3. As it contain a minus, this both are positive number. This is a negative number. So plus into minus is minus. Minus m power 3. Next, n multiply by n is n square. Then p is left out. P is a single term, so write p. So answer will be minus m power 3 n power 2 p.